Welcome back to Explore Error, how to increase the font size on your Windows 11 computer. So in this video, I'll show you how to make the text bigger on your laptop or PC. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Start menu and click on Settings. Now the first option you have is to click on System from the left-hand side and then click on Display. You can then scroll down to Scale and you will see that this changes the size of text, apps, and other items. So you can click on the drop-down arrow and increase the percentage to zoom in on your computer. Now, if you only want to increase the size of the text, then what you can do is go to Accessibility from the left-hand side, click on Text Size, and here you can manually adjust the size of your text. So I'm just going to make it a bit bigger, like this, and then you can press Apply. As you can see, the font size on my computer has now increased, and that's how to increase the font size on your Windows 11.